Stop what you're doing right now. Try to focus on this video for just 3 minutes without checking anything else. Can't do it? That's because your brain is literally broken, and I can prove it in the next 180 seconds. But here's what the $80 billion focus industry won't tell you. Authority plus tension. It's not your fault. Neuroscientists at Stanford just discovered something terrifying. Every notification you've ever received has physically rewired your prefrontal cortex. Your dopamine baseline, the amount of stimulation you need just to feel normal, is now 400% higher than it was 10 years ago. You're not distracted, you're chemically dependent. I know exactly how this feels. You sit down to work, and within 90 seconds, your hand is reaching for your phone like it's on autopilot. You can't read a book. You can't finish a conversation. And every productivity guru tells you the same garbage. Just use more willpower. But willpower is a myth when you're fighting neurochemistry. So here's what actually works. 7 micro habits that hijack your dopamine system instead of fighting it. Habit 1. The first hour rule. Don't touch your phone for 60 minutes after waking up. Here's why this is devastating to distraction. Stanford neuroscientist Andrew Huberman found that morning dopamine spikes set your entire day's tolerance. Touch your phone at 6 a.m.? Your brain now needs constant stimulation until midnight. 1 week of this. 1 week. And people report it feels like they have a different brain. Habit 2 sounds insane, but it works in 48 hours. Schedule boredom. 5 minutes. No phone, no music, no podcast, nothing. Just sit there. Your brain will scream at you. It'll feel like physical pain. Good. That's your dopamine receptors healing. Dr. Sandy Mann's research at the University of Central Lancashire proved that boredom is where focus is reborn. You're not wasting time. You're doing neurological rehab, and it works faster than anything else on this list. Habit 3. 10-minute sprints. Not 25, not an hour. 10 minutes of single tasking. Set a timer. Pick one thing. Defend it like your life depends on it. University of California research shows it takes 23 minutes to recover from a single distraction. But you don't need perfect focus. You need practice returning to focus. 10 minutes builds the reflex. Tomorrow, 11. In 2 weeks, you'll accidentally do 30 without noticing. This is how you reinstall your operating system. Habit 4 is so simple, you'll think I'm lying. Add 1 second of friction. Put your phone in another room. Log out of Instagram after every use. Delete TikTok and reinstall it when you actually want it. Microsoft found that 1 extra click reduces usage by 40%. You're not quitting social media, you're making distractions slightly harder than work. When the path of least resistance is your task, your broken brain will take it. Friction is focus. Habit 5 exploits your brain's reward system. Keep a done list, not a to-do list, a done list. Every single thing you accomplished today, write it down. Sent an email? Write it. Made coffee? Write it. Harvard researcher Dr. Teresa Amabile discovered that visible progress is the #1 intrinsic motivator, stronger than money, praise, or fear. Your brain gets dopamine from completion, so manufacture micro-completions everywhere. You're literally drugging yourself with productivity. Habit 6 is a biological cheat code. Walk for 5 minutes before any focus session. Not for exercise, for neurochemistry. Stanford research showed walking increases creative output by 60%. But here's the secret. It also regulates dopamine and norepinephrine simultaneously. Those are the 2 chemicals responsible for attention. A 5-minute walk is a biological reset button. Your brain chemistry literally changes. This isn't motivation, it's pharmacology. Habit 7. Rewiring finale. Last habit. Celebrate every focus win out loud. Finish 10 minutes? Say, I just did that. Neuropsychologist Rick Hansen calls this taking in the good. You're installing new neural pathways. Your brain learns what you reward. Right now, it rewards distraction because that's what it knows. Reward focus instead and watch what happens. Here's your test. Pick one habit. Do it for 3 days. If your focus doesn't improve, I'm wrong. But if it works, and it will, come back and tell me which one. Because your attention isn't broken forever. It's just been trained by the wrong environment. And now you know how to retrain it. Drop a comment. Subscribe if this rewired something. And remember, thinking deeper starts with being able to think at all.